What's up, YouTube? So you're wondering how to do a question mark kick. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how on Bob. First, you're going to want to stretch quite a bit. Okay, next, it's really good to learn two different kicks. Let me show you those right now. First, you want to learn the front kick. Next, you want to learn this kick. I don't know the name. So the purpose of a question mark kick is to trick your opponent into dropping his hands down. He's thinking you're kicking to the stomach, right? And then right when you get up, you trick him and you come around to a roundhouse kick. The first step you want to do probably would be to kick him in the stomach a couple of times. Get him used to getting kicked in the stomach. And then, for the question mark kick, you're going to bring it up just like that, and then you're going to want to come around and make sure you turn your foot. So you're going to go up, and then you're going to come around, and it's going to look something like this. So what I did starting out when I was learning the question mark kick, instead of trying to do it really high, I would just try to do it at all. Just do it low. If you have anything that you can kick, I have Bob. So what I would do is I would go like this. I would set him down really low, and I would just practice on the body. Once you get comfortable kicking the body, you got the motion down, then just bring it up a little higher. So I have Bob on the lowest setting now, so kicking him in the head would be pretty easy. Very easy. So don't overcomplicate it. I can't stress that enough. Just get really good at roundhouse kicks and front kicks. And then just pretend like you're doing the front kick. Kind of let it bounce forward. And then use that momentum going forward to come back around and go over the top. Kind of like that. And practice really low. Just practice in the air like this. And that's pretty much it. So I mean, if you have any questions about it, just message me or put it down in the comments. Like the video if it helped. And tell me if it's working for you, you know? I would really love to hear if it was actually helping somebody. Well guys, I really hope that Bob and I taught you question mark kicks properly. Let me know what you think in the comments. Any other kicks or punches, anything that you would like to work on, you know, hit me up in the comment section or my messages and let me know, and I'll definitely get around to it. Have a good day.